Welcome to my channel. Stop right now and think deeply. Are you waiting for the perfect time to start your dream? Do you feel you are not ready yet? What if your biggest problem is not failure, but waiting too long? This story will answer everything. This is the story of Umar, an 18-year-old boy with big dreams but zero action. He wanted success, he wanted respect, he wanted a better life. But he had one dangerous habit. He always waited. He waited to feel confident. He waited to feel ready. He waited for the perfect moment. But that moment never came. Every day, he saw others moving forward. His friends were learning skills. Some started small work, but Umar stayed stuck. His notebook was full of plans, but his life was empty. One evening, his father looked at him and said, "Dreams need action, not waiting." Those words hurt him deeply. That night, Umar sat alone in silence. He opened his notebook again. Pages were full, but results were zero. He felt regret, heavy regret. Suddenly, he saw a short video online. A man said, "You are not ready. Start anyway." That one line hit his heart like lightning. He stood in front of the mirror and asked himself, "What if I start today?" Fear answered loudly. But this time, he did not listen. With shaking hands, he made a small decision. He decided to take his first step. That small step changed everything forever. Chapter 2. The next morning felt strange but powerful. Umar woke up with fear, but also a small spark of courage inside him. For the first time, he did not overthink. He decided to start learning a skill, something that could change his life. After thinking for a while, he chose graphic design. He had no experience. He had no guidance. Everything looked confusing. The tools were hard. The videos were long. His mind felt tired quickly. But he remembered one line again and again: start anyway. So he watched one small tutorial. Then he practiced. His first design was terrible. It looked messy and childish. He felt embarrassed even looking at it. When he showed it to his friends, they laughed. They said, "This is not for you." Those words hurt him badly. For a moment, he wanted to quit again. But then he remembered his past. Waiting had given him nothing, so he continued. Day by day, he practiced. Slowly, he improved a little. Just a little, but it was progress. His younger brother saw him working daily. One day, he said, "You are trying. That is enough." Those simple words gave Rumar new strength. Then something important happened. While searching online, he found a mentor named Arif. His message was simple: consistency beats talent. Umar followed him. He practiced daily without missing a day. Even when tired, he tried. Even when confused, he continued. Progress was slow, but it was real. And for the first time, Umar felt he was moving forward. Chapter 3. Weeks passed, and Umar's journey became more difficult. The excitement of starting slowly disappeared. Now only hard work remained. Every day felt heavy. He practiced for hours, but still made many mistakes. His designs were not good enough. He compared himself to others and felt weak. One day, he decided to apply for a small online project. He spent hours preparing his work. He sent it with hope. Then he waited. Hours passed. Then a reply came. Just one word: rejected. That word broke him inside. He stared at the screen without moving. His confidence dropped to zero. His mind filled with negative thoughts. You are not good enough. You should stop. That night, he could not sleep. Doubt surrounded him from every side. The next morning, he messaged his mentor, Arif. He wrote, "I think I should quit." Arif replied calmly, "Rejection is not failure. Quitting is failure." Umar read it again and again. Then Arif added, If you stop now, you lose everything. If you continue, you still have a chance. Those words changed his thinking. Umar took a deep breath. He decided not to quit. Instead, he worked harder. He studied his mistakes. He improved his design slowly. Then one day, something small but powerful happened. A client liked his work. It was not a big project, but it was real. That small success gave him hope again. It proved one thing clearly: he was improving, slowly but surely forward. Chapter 4. With that small success, Umar felt a new kind of energy inside him. His confidence was still weak, but it was growing slowly. He started working more seriously. He created better designs. He learned new tools, but life tested him again. His family started facing financial problems. Money became tight. Pressure increased at home. Some relatives told him to stop wasting time. They said, "Get a stable job. This will not work." Those words created confusion in his mind. He felt stuck again. One night, he sat quietly with his mother. He shared all his fears. He said, "What if I fail?" His mother listened carefully. Then she said softly, "Every big success starts with uncertainty." Those words gave him peace. Umar made a decision. He would not quit. He started working part-time during the day, and at night, he practiced his skill. It was exhausting. His body felt tired. His mind felt heavy, but he did not stop. Slowly, more small projects came. His work improved. One day, he received a message for a bigger project. It was a big opportunity. He felt nervous, very nervous, but he accepted it. He worked day and night. He made mistakes. He corrected them. He pushed himself beyond limits. When the project finished, the client was very happy. Umar felt proud. That moment proved something powerful. Starting without being ready was the best decision of his life. Chapter 5. Months passed, and Umar's life started changing slowly but clearly. The boy who once waited for the perfect moment was now creating his own chances. His work improved day by day. His confidence became stronger. People who once doubted him now started respecting him. Some even asked him for advice. Umar felt surprised but happy. He remembered his early days, the fear, the rejection, the doubt. One day, he received an email from a company. They offered him a professional project. It was bigger than anything he had done before. His hands were shaking while reading it. He could not believe it. His hard work was finally showing results. He accepted the offer with courage. He worked day and night. He gave his full effort. The project was successful. The company was impressed. They paid him well. That moment changed everything. At home, his family felt proud. His father smiled and said, "You proved yourself." Those words touched his heart deeply. Umar realized something very important. He was never fully ready when he started, but starting made him ready. That was the real secret. He continued improving. He continued learning. His journey was still going, but now he had confidence, real confidence built from action. He was no longer waiting. He was moving forward with purpose, and nothing could stop him now from achieving his dreams. Chapter 6. Now think about those questions again. Are you waiting to feel ready before starting something important in your life? Umar also waited. But he learned the truth. No one is ever fully ready. Do you believe you need perfect skills to begin? Umar believed that too. But he realized skills come after starting. Are you afraid of failure? Umar was afraid every day. But failure became his greatest teacher. The answers are simple but powerful. Start before you feel ready. Take small steps every day. Accept mistakes as part of your journey. Stay consistent even when it feels hard. Umar's story is not just a story, it is a lesson, a real lesson. He was not special. He did not have extra talent. He only had one thing. He refused to quit. That made all the difference. Now, this is for you. If you are watching this, this is your sign. Stop waiting. Stop overthinking. Start today. Take one small action. Learn one new thing. Try one step forward. It will feel uncomfortable. People may doubt you. You may fail, but keep going because every step builds your future. Believe in yourself. Work hard every day. Stay patient. Never give up. One day, you will look back and feel proud. And you will thank yourself for starting when you were not ready.